Yeah? Yes, my friend is Moreno is around.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm gonna do some cooking, man.
Yes.
You
Hey,
need
how
to
you
find
doing?
out. Yeah. No, but
Excellent, excellent. Guys, today is a special day because I came all the way from the North London to meet my friend, one of my best friends. We haven't seen each other for a long time, and yes, we're gonna have some great stuff. And I can't wait. We have salmon, we have burger, we have some red meat. This is gonna be amazing. I just can't wait. My mouth is already watering. So yes, I'm gonna give him some space to cook. Yeah, so let's see what he's gonna come up with. But I know he's gonna come up something really, really great.
don't worry, man.
Chef,
I got you, man.
I get you. I give you some time.
Don't worry, give my space. Give my how do you like your burgers anyway?
Well done, please.
Well done.
Well done. Yeah.
You're from Africa.
Well done will be amazing. Just well done will be just amazing. Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll get you well done, man.
Yeah. Wow, I'm really, really impressed. I'm really impressed.
When
Not
the
every
friend,
day that you get a burger like this, homemade.
I'll make sure I press them to cook them very well.
If you need any help, if you're struggling to cook anything, if you want some recipe, quality recipe made from home, something special. If you got your husband, your wife, your friend out there, family, mother, brother, that you need something special to cook on the day, this is your man. Get in touch. He will get you a recipe that they will love it for life. Trust me. You want some drink or something?
I'm alright, I'm good for now, yeah, I'm good for now. Basically, I have some burgers, but I'm not gonna just do burgers. I'm gonna do some beef as well. I'm gonna do some salmon all together in one dish. Yeah? Some salmon in, if you marinate as well. Some fish, yeah, some fish.
Yeah, just to let you know, it's all homemade, huh? This is salmon, marinated. I've seen it this morning. It's just a complete difference. Unbelievable. I always knew that was a secret about cooking, but I could never figure it out.
Definitely.
And I have to say I respect you for that.
Thank you
Because
very
as
much.
much as I can cook as well, I can never beat you.
Why not?
I can never beat you. But again, I got a question, yes? Because I need to try this. I need to taste it. But, I want to see what I'm going to give you. If I'm going to give you a 5. Is it a 5 okay with you? A 6?
It's up to you, man.
A 7, an 8, a 10? Maybe?
Whatever you want, man.
Yeah?
And then, basically, after all that, I'm gonna add some double cream.
Wow.
Yeah? Some double cream. I'm gonna add some garlic into it. some fresh garlic, some bay leaf. Yeah.
So I thought you were going to give me just a burger,
No burgers, man.
and then the salmon,
I'm doing
and
something.
then the red meat.
I'm doing something.
But then
else
you
for
give me something completely different.
Completely different, man.
Amazing, man.
Different, man.
You surprise me every day.
Definitely.
Wow.
That's the point of it. You
Wow.
don't get that.
Wow. You know what? I've been thinking maybe I should just buy a property.
No, you can still put together English forever. Let's see.
I'm thinking about moving close by because then, like this, I'm gonna be much closer to you.
Yeah.
So should I bring my plate now? Is it
No,
ready?
yeah, no, yeah, no,
So
yeah.
how
man,
long
no,
is
yeah,
it gonna
man.
take?
2 minutes, man. I need some. I want to put this one on the side here. I want to bring my meat and my fish back to the grill. Can I have the 2 plates, please?
Yes. I can't wait. Pessoal, tá a chegar a hora, né?
One, you can put just one.
The time is arriving. So, yes. I can't wait. Can't wait. So it's not just about the food,
No, it's about the flavors.
the flavor,
It is about
and
the
the
flavor.
presentation as
It
well.
is about everything.
Okay, guys, just to let you know, there are 3 things, yeah, 3 very important things, yeah. It's about what is cooking,
I'm gonna put some
the
burgers.
taste,
That's the fish, and then that's the fish.
and the presentation.
Can I get a spoon for me? Just
Spoon, yeah.
the back there.
Yeah. Então vamos lá. Posso começar ou devo esperar ou como é que é? This is just amazing. Yeah? Right? Let's see. Well, should I start with the burger? You know what? Let me get a knife. Let me get a knife. Let me get a knife.
Get a knife. Get a knife.
Right, guys. The momento da verdade, yeah? The moment of truth. Como se diz em inglês, né? Yeah? Let's look at this. So I will start with the burger first. Yeah? I've asked for it to be well done. Are you sure you didn't put something, you know, some chemical or something in it to make sure that I stay here?
No, mate. No.
Yeah?
No, mate.
So the burger is,
When I go for the feet,
yeah?
I ask him to go to the salad.
Top 10, yeah? I'll give 10 for that. I give 10 for the burger. No, you can't give any number to yourself. I need to give it to you. It doesn't work that way. I need to taste everything. Okay? For the salmon.
Yep.
Bocado de feijão verde também.
Brown.
Pessoal, é uma hora estar cá hoje. É uma hora estar cá hoje. Agora vou ver o bife. Também pediu bife well done. My God, this is amazing. This is amazing, amazing. Thank you so much.
You like it?
Thank you. Of course, I don't like it. I love it. I love it. That's 10 out of 10.
How do you find it?
Look, you know, you can go to a restaurant, pay a lot of money, right, and order something.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then it's not every day that you go to a friend's house and you get something special, a quality, something different. Because I know if I can walk into any restaurant in London, I'm not going to be able to ask for this in the menu because it's not just there, you know. So yeah, no. Man, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You know that, man. You know, man. Got your back, yeah?
Thank you very much. Get in touch. You can book him for a weekend. He's not gonna tell you the price, but you can book him for a weekend. Yeah. Epa, temos sangria também.
When you got sangria, the weather's nice. So you should enjoy your time. How's your food anyway?
I just ran out of words to say, you know. Yes. So that's it. I just ran out of words to say because it's just too much.
No, that's nice food, though. And the cheese, no? I want that.